Hello everyone, my name is Jivanand. In this lesson, we'll be learning about North America, and this is very precise notes of mine. So let's begin with the class about North America. First point is third largest continent. North America is the third largest continent among all the continents. The total numbers are seven, and this is highly industrialized because USA and Canada falls in this continent. So rich in resources, USA leads in international trade, and Canada has vast resources with less population. Next point is Alaska. Alaska is in the northwest of the continent, and Labrador is in the northeastern part of the continent. Then Panama is south of the continent. These are the borders, you can say. Alaska is in northwest, Labrador in northeast, and Panama is in south. Next is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is in north. Okay, and then continent breaks into series of cold and barren islands. Continents are here in broken condition. These are barren islands. Okay. Next one is Ellesmere Island is the largest island under Denmark. So Ellesmere Island is the largest island in the world, and this falls in the Denmark. Okay. Next point is Central America, tempered land. This is a tempered land, means it is a kind of a highly indented land. So group of island is also there, that is West Indies, and this falls under the Central America. Next point is physical correct features. There are four types of features mainly prevails in North America, that is the Canadian Shield. The next is the Appalachian Mountains or Eastern Highlands. It is also called Eastern Highlands. Next point is the Central Plains, and fourth one is the Western Cordillera. Now we'll be discussing one by one each. The Canadian Shield we will be discussing first. First point is covers half of the Canada and forms of ancient hard rock. This is very ancient hard rock, and the elevation is usually 300 to 400 meter. Okay, next is northern part covered with snow of the Canadian Shield. Northern part of the Canadian Shield is covered with snow, and southern part are lowlands of Great Lakes. And St. Lawrence River, famous Nigeria fall located between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Then next point is gold, silver, nickel, iron, copper, platinum, radium, cobalt, and uranium forms the resources of this region. See, gold is also there, silver is also there. These are precious resources, and nickel, iron, copper, platinum is also one of the important precious resource. Radium, cobalt, uranium, again these are very important resources. That is why this continent is very rich in mineral resources. Next, we are going to discuss about the Appalachian Mountain. This mountain is located in northeastern part of northeast of North America. Then Hudson River flow through it. Hudson River flow through Appalachian Mountain. Okay. The next is it joins Great Lakes through Erie Land. See, Great Lakes is very important feature in North America, and mm, the Hudson River joins Great Lakes through Erie Canal. There is a canal that is called Erie Canal. Next point is coal, copper, and lead are found in Appalachian Mounts. Now let's discuss about the Western Cordilleras. The stretches it stretches north to south entire length. From I'm talking about Western Cordilleras. In the western part, it stretches from upper part to lower part, that is north to south. Then most of the river rises here. All the rivers such as Hudson River, Mississippi, Missouri, all the rivers rises here. Mount Mount McKinley is highest in this range, that is 6187 meter. And Rocky Mountains also falls under it. Sierra Nevada coastal range all falls under it. Great Basin. Great Basin is largest intermontane plateau. Next is Colorado Plateau is also there, south of Great Basin. Colorado River is also there, and its tributaries has deep cut valley. Means they cut the valley very deep because of the flow and amount of water. Then canyons are the very important features over there. Wall-like sides. It has wall-like sides. Okay, these are called canyons. Then many active volcanoes are also there. Then coal, lead, zinc, gold, copper are very important resources found in the western Cordilleras. You have learned till Canadian Shield, Appalachian Mountain, and Western Cordilleras. Now let's learn about the Central Lowlands. It lies between Western Cordilleras and Eastern Highlands. Then from delta of river Mackenzie in north to the edge of coastal plain of Texas, it runs 6,000 kilometers. Okay, I'm talking about the central lowlands. Next point is central and southern parts are low and flat river basin of Missouri, Mississippi, and are very fertile. These are very fertile because these are uh, built up of very fine particles, very fertile deposits of Missouri and Mississippi river. Next one is climate and natural vegetation. Let's talk about this. First point is tropical zone in south. In south part of North America, the weather and climate type is tropical. Next is frigid zone in north. Because of the very close proximity to Arctic Ocean and North Pole, the climate is frigid type in north part of North America. Then interior are very hot. Okay, next is western coast receive westerlies, very obvious. Next one is southeastern coast receive trade winds. This is important. That is why in this region there is a monsoon type of climate. Southeastern region I'm talking about, this receives trade winds. Next one is Arizona is a desert found in this continent. Winter are harsh, huge temperature variation. Then less rainfall in interior, obviously. Next is tundra type vegetation in north, because tundra type of vegetation usually are found in very cold climate condition. Next one is coniferous forest in, or this is also called taiga. This is found south to the tundra. Next one is tropical forest in Central America, Mexico, West Indies. These forests are found in Central America, Mexico, and West Indies. Prairies in interior. These are the name given to the grass found in North America. The next one is Mediterranean type of climate. Where it is found? It is found in west coast of California. Guys, that's it from North America continent. I hope you like the class. If you really like the class, please please click the like button and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.